This is a used 2013 Ford Econoline 350 Super Duty. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 1,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include digital audio input, an auxiliary input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, air conditioning, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Premier Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5001 Glenwood Road, Brooklyn, New York, 11234.